Hey everybody, this is David. In today's homebrewing series video, I'm going to teach you how to make stovetop espresso. First, unscrew the brew chamber and add room temperature water to the boiler, up to but not over the safety valve. In the 9-ounce espresso maker, you'll use 8 ounces of fresh and clean water. Using our recipe of 2 tablespoons of coffee to 6 ounces of water, add 3 tablespoons of finely ground coffee into the basket. The ground should look similar in size to brown sugar. Since this method uses less pressure to brew coffee than an actual espresso machine, avoid packing the grounds into the basket. Screw the brew chamber back on securely. Then turn your burner on high and place the pot on the stove. When you see the coffee stop filling the brew chamber and you hear a sputtering or spitting sound, the brew is done. The brewer will be very hot, so use a hot pad or oven mitt to remove it from the stove. Wait until the pot is cool to touch before taking it apart to clean. Finally, decant and enjoy your freshly brewed stovetop espresso. When you run out, visit mauioma.com/coffee-shop to order more.